Welcome back. Well, some big changes in the old temperature roller coaster as we matriculate through mid-December and into Christmas week. Up and down temperatures. So let's take a look at this graphic. We're going to see milder temperatures next couple of days, mid-70s tomorrow and Saturday, but don't get used to it. We'll be in the 40s on Sunday, heading for the mid-20s going into Sunday night. So perhaps the first hard freeze for some portions of Acadiana as we head into Sunday night, Monday morning, and then the long range outlook Christmas week that came out, the 8 to 14 day outlook, and it looks like mid to upper 70s are going to be quite likely, and maybe even 80 degrees possible on one of the days between December 19th and the 25th. There are hints there might be a front coming in a day or two after Christmas, but we'll have to wait and see. But this is the outlook for the 6-day period going into Christmas week. Only colder than normal spot up across the northern plains. That Arctic air staying bottled up for the most part, although we get a touch of it coming in Sunday night into Monday, but much warmer than normal across much of the south, and it looks to be drier than normal as well for Christmas week. That's what we like. We want to be able to travel without some rain. So the good news there. If you want to see snow, pack northwest, the northwest, and the Great Lakes states through the northeast. That's where the rain and snow will be, and that's where it is right now. It's mostly snow. Another Alberta clipper moving through the nation's midsection. High pressure though shifting off to the east by us. That means a return flow and milder temperatures for us as we head through the overnight hours. We see that in the graph model. Temperatures bottom out upper 40s, lower 50s, but rise into the mid 50s by morning with some clouds, maybe some fog moving in depending on wind speeds as we head through the early morning hours. And then tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Could be a few sprinkles. Essentially, we see a warm front. If you look at your wind particles here, they're coming out of the south, and over here they're at the northwest. So we have a little bit of a frontal trough that's moving to the north, and that's going to usher in milder temperatures. So mid-70s tomorrow, mid-70s again for Saturday, but here comes that strong cold front. It bangs on through as we head into Saturday night, early Sunday morning, with rain mainly behind the front. That's when the colder air starts aloft, starts interacting with the leftover moisture, and we get some precipitation. So rain showers, 60-70% Saturday night, but they're going to be light. We start off Sunday, cloudy and cold, mid-40s, and look at the wind north at 15 to 25, gusts to 30, and then temperatures staying in the 40s Sunday, wind chills in the 30s, but temperatures will be dropping down into the 20s to lower 30s for most of Acadiana, and it could be low to mid 20s for northern portions of Acadiana. This is just modeled forecast. This is no what we call man mix or human touch temperatures here. So this is what the computers are giving us, and we'll buy into it with all that cold air up in Canada and the snow on the ground. The air that's going to come in is going to be chilled, and then there's still a light freeze for Monday night, Tuesday morning. And by the way, those temperatures Monday morning, that doesn't include the wind chill, which could be as low as the teens come Monday morning. So the coldest air of the season, about 48 to 72 hours away. Mid 40s overnight tonight for the northern parishes, so milder there, upper 40s to lower 50s. And again, our low for tonight will be right around midnight. Temperatures rise thereafter, upper 40s to lower 50s down along the coast. Then tomorrow, well into the mid 70s pretty much across the board. And again, look out for a little patchy fog later on tonight, and that's outlined in this forecast. 49 the low, not as chilly, more humid with areas of fog and clouds developing toward daybreak tomorrow. There's that fog icon coming in to indicate that fog first thing in the morning. Then tomorrow, mid 70s, maybe an isolated shower, light south to southwest winds, and again, mostly cloudy skies, the dominant feature. Rain chance up to 70%, but light rain Saturday night, not much. Windy, colder Sunday. We stay in the 40s, and there you go. Could be a hard freeze for a good part of Acadiana come Sunday night into Monday morning, and then a light freeze follows. But guess what? There come the 70s again later next week, and it carries into the following weekend, and as we told you, probably Christmas week as well. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.